In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert checkbox in WPS Office. This is a very useful feature for creating checklists, forms, or documents where you want to mark completed items or track tasks. By the end of this video, you will know how to insert two different types of checkboxes and customize their appearance to match your document perfectly. To start, open your document in WPS Office and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Under the Insert tab, you will find the Symbols option. Click on Symbols to open the Symbol dialog box. In this dialog, you will see a font selection field. Here, type Wingdings, spelled Wingdings, and then press Enter. This font contains a variety of symbols, including checkboxes. After selecting Wingdings, scroll through the available symbols until you find the checkbox symbol. When you locate it, click Insert, and the checkbox will appear in your document. You can customize this checkbox by changing its color using the Home tab, and you can adjust its size just like regular text by increasing or decreasing the font size. This method is perfect if you want a simple tick box that you can check or uncheck manually. Now, let's add another type of checkbox that shows an X inside the box when selected. First, go back to the Insert tab. Then click on Quick Parts, followed by Forms, and choose Checkbox Form field. This will insert a new checkbox into your document. To modify this checkbox, double-click on it. A settings window will open, allowing you to adjust the size and default behavior of the checkbox. Under the Default Value option, select Checked if you want the checkbox to appear checked by default. Finally, click OK to apply the changes. Now you can see that the checkbox with an X inside it is ready for use. By using these two methods, you can easily insert and customize checkboxes in WPS Office for different types of lists and forms. This makes it easy to create professional-looking documents with interactive elements that are easy to use and track. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.